Good evening. Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Turn on your cameras. So only 4 members have joined. What about others? Okay, guys. How was your test? Any doubts from the test? Any doubts from the test? I'm asking you only. Guys, any doubts? Make it fast, guys. Any doubts? The question paper. And Avinav, Arvind, Abhinav. You tell me your marks. I don't remember. I posted, despite of in spite of being posted those results. I don't remember the result.
Sir, I think I got 60, sir.
Arvind 60. Amrut. Amrut, how many marks you got? Abhinaya,
Sir,
Disha, and your camera. Sorry.
58, sir.
Abhinaya, Disha. Turn on your camera first.
Sir, for today I'm using PC, sir.
PC doesn't have cam.
Yes, sir. Actually, my sister have exams, sir, so I'm using PC.
What's your mark?
Sir, I got 13 after 20, sir.
Okay. So how many questions you attempted?
Sir?
How many questions you attempted?
Sir, actually I attempted all questions, sir.
So your score is 45, isn't it?
Sir?
Your score is 45, isn't it?
No, sir, 52.
52. Okay, 13 fours. You got 13 correct, eh?
Yes, sir.
13 fours 52. 52 minus 7 wrong. So 45, no? Okay, let's see. 13 got correct. What about Disha?
Sir, I got 48.
Why? Why 48? क्यों इतना इतना कम आया?
Sir, like I didn't attempt few of them, and then the ones which I attempted and that two were wrong.
No issues. Okay. So please everyone go through the question paper, try to learn out of it. Okay, so हम लोग any doubts from the question paper? If you have any doubts, so guys, have you been through your mistakes? Have you gone through the question paper again? I'm asking you only, guys. Have you been through the question paper? I'm asking. If you didn't go through that, please go through that and be ready with your doubts. If you have your doubts, then only we can just go through and discuss that. Go through that and discuss it. Clear? Is it clear with everyone or not? Tell me.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
please go through that. Yes, everyone. So, till what we have discussed, solving the questions we have discussed, proving the questions, couple of questions we have discussed. So, today we'll solve somewhat different questions. So, let us talk about double and triple angles. Double angle, triple angle, ये क्या होता है? Right? Double angle, triple angle. आ रहा है समझ? So, whatever the notes I'm giving you guys, please take it in a clear way, in a clear cut way. Everyone look at this. So today let us talk about double angles. Double angles. आ रहा है समझ आ रहा है? करते so double angles. So guys look at this double angles. What is the meaning of double angle? So let us see that double angles का मतलब क्या होता है? Trigonometric functions uses हम लोग अभी तक tan theta, sin theta, cos theta. This is what we have learned, right? Now here we are going to learn tan 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. डबल ना, डबल पड़ रहा है तो डबल सीख रहा है तो इसीलिए डबल एंगल बोल रहा है. Isn't it? So look at this. What exactly meaning of that and what are the formulas we have to learn? Clear? So basically, so far we have gone through sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. These are the trigonometric functions which we have made it. Clear? Now look at this. Now first and foremost formula is your sin 2 theta. I have given you all these formula. Sin 2 theta formula is what? What is sin 2 theta formula, Disha?
Sir, I don't remember. Acha, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta.
sin theta into cos theta ये होता है. इसका प्रूफ देखिए ये कैसा मिला मुझे, कहाँ से मिला, ये कहाँ से आ गया. ठीक है, हम लोग देखेंगे अभी. Basically guys look at this here. So sin 2 theta, what is the proof of this? Sin theta plus theta. So sin theta plus theta is sin looking, it is looking like sin a plus b formula. Sin a plus b formula मैंने क्या बताया था? sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. ठीक है, sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, 2 times of sin theta cos theta. देखो एक बार मिला के 2 बार. आ रहा है समझ? आ रहा है? You understanding my point? थीटा प्लस थीटा साइन थीटा, तो साइन थीटा फॉर्मूला ये हो गया हमारा प्रूफ. आया समझ? कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट हियर? एनी डाउट? वेरी सिंपल, इज नथिंग इज. चलो विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट, विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. चलो नेक्स्ट देखो, हम लोग दूसरा फॉर्मूला cos 2 थीटा, cos 2 थीटा, cos 2 थीटा फॉर्मूला बताया था मैंने, cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल, और भी बताया था 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा, और भी बताया था मैंने 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस। इतना सारा फॉर्मूला है, ये कहाँ से आ गया भाई, इसको कैसा करेंगे? देखो cos 2 थीटा, cos 2 थीटा को हम लोग लिखेंगे cos थीटा प्लस थीटा, सेम फॉर्मूला, cos a प्लस b फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, cos a इंटू cos b माइनस sin a इंटू sin b। ठीक है, इधर ये क्या है, व्हाट इज ये हियर, थीटा, व्हाट इज b हियर, one more new student is going to join. Her name is Aditi. So let us welcome her once. Okay, everyone turn on your camera, guys. I just request you all, please don't turn off your camera. ये तो अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है। So cos थीटा, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b, ठीक है। देखो इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग अभी, तो क्या करेंगे बेटा, देखो ये cos स्क्वायर थीटा मिल गया मुझे माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा, तो एक फॉर्मूला हो गया, प्रूफ, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रूफ गाइस, एक फॉर्मूला ये हो गया। दूसरा फॉर्मूला देखो, दूसरा फॉर्मूला देखो, इसको कैसा करेंगे, देखो अगर ये cos स्क्वायर थीटा को एक्सेलरेट 1 माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा, आ रहा है ना, समझ आ रहा है, सॉरी 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा इधर, नॉट 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा, 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा, यस और नो, इधर 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा, ये लिख तक मैंने इसको लिखूंगा 2 टाइम्स ऑफ sin स्क्वायर थीटा। देखो ये एक फॉर्मूला होगा, ये एक फॉर्मूला होगा, एक ही फॉर्मूला से दो मैंने प्रूव कर दिया, आ रहा है समझ। देखो अभी 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कहाँ से मिल गया मुझे, फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट दिस वन, फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट दिस वन, लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस, इसको इधर देखो, इधर से ही फिर से, इधर से ही फिर से cos स्क्वायर थीटा एज इट इज आई एम राइटिंग, मैंने sin स्क्वायर थीटा को एक्सेलरेट 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, सो cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा, cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1, ये भी एक फॉर्मूला है, ठीक है। प्रूफ मैंने बता रहा हूँ कितना पॉसिबल फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, एक फॉर्मूला, दो फॉर्मूला, तीन फॉर्मूला, cos 2 थीटा का फॉर्मूला कितना है, अभी 3 फॉर्मूला है, समझ रहे, आ रहा है समझ, एनी डाउट, एनी डाउट, कोई डाउट बेटा, कोई डाउट, आ रहा है समझ आ रहा है, you have to respond,
Yes, sir.
what about others?
Yes, sir.
Aditi Keligi, Aditi, welcome to the maths class. Turn on your
Yes,
camera.
sir. Yes, sir.
Can you please turn on your camera? Welcome to the maths class. Hope you are doing fine. And this is the first class, I hope so, isn't it? Okay, so okay, so you just introduce yourself. So you have, you know, good friends over here. So Tanvi, Abhinaya, Disha, Arvind, Abhinav. So you have just four, so including you, 6 students are from 11th standard. Okay, so this is the first class in your with the Chanakya Institute. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no issues, no issues. It might be the first class for you, and just let you just let it, you just introduce yourself. What's your name? Yeah, of course, Aditi only I know, but you just introduce yourself to your friends so that everyone can understand. Yes, where you are from, which college you are studying in. Yes,
I'm from Narayana College, sir.
okay. From where? Which branch?
Kolluru branch.
Kolluru branch. Okay. So till what? So far, what are the chapters you have done with?
Actually, they said they will start. They'll begin from tomorrow again revision.
Okay, so you have done with all chapters.
No, only trigonometry.
Only trigonometry they have done. So you are aware of trigonometry first of all, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So cos to theta formula. We are looking today double angles. The concept called double angles. Look at it. Just now we have started. Just now we started. Today we are going to look upon the concept called double angles. What is that? Double angles. I hope you understand Telugu, right? I think you understand that. Yes. So double angles. Today we are going to learn about double angles. Double angles in the sense, like so far we have learned the formulas called sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, like reciprocal function of sin is cosec theta, and reciprocal function of cos is secant theta. Reciprocal of tan is what?
Cot theta.
Very good. So this is what we have learned. Single theta, single theta, उसको ऑमलेट डबल ऑमलेट बना देना बस sin 2 थीटा. ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ. सो सिंगल टीटा बिकमिंग डबल टीटा, उसको बोलता है डबल टीटा, लाइक डबल ऑमलेट. अगर इधर एक एक ऑमलेट खा रहा है तो इधर दो ऑमलेट खाएंगे हम लोग. आ रहा है समझ? अरे आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट चिल्ड्रन? सो आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यस और नो? सी हियर sin theta. So single functions we have used so far. Now I'm talking about which is a 2 sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta formula gives me 2 sin theta cos theta. So cos 2 theta formula gives me cos square theta minus sin square theta, which also can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta, also can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. These are the formulas which we have gone through so far. All right, Aditi, I hope you are aware of all these formulas. So I'm just looking forward to teach all these proofs of these formulas. All right, so I'll be sharing these notes, Aditi. You just don't worry. If you have any doubts, so in WhatsApp, you just WhatsApp group, you can find out my number over there. Feel free to drop a message and feel free to ask your doubts. All right, ma. All right, chalo. So this is what the proof. You just have a look at the proof. So cos 2 theta can be written as cos theta plus theta. I'm applying cos A plus B formula. Aditi, can you please tell me what the formulas are? What is the formula of sin A plus B? What is the formula of sin A plus B?
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Chalo, very good. Cos A plus B formula.
Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B.
Sin A, cos A plus B I'm talking about.
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, అంతే కదా? Again my point. Yes or no? Plus ఉంటే మైనస్ వస్తుంది. So you can remember like that. I hope it's pretty easy to understand. So now look at this now. So now tan 2 theta. Third formula, tan 2 theta. What is the formula for tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. All right. So इसका proof. What is the proof of this? So same thing guys, same thing. Can you please prove this? 2 theta मतलब theta plus theta. Theta plus theta. So theta plus theta means tan A plus B. Tan A plus B formula is what? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is A here? A is also theta, B is also theta. So I'm applying tan A plus B formula. So tan theta plus tan theta, 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. ये हो गया हमारा फॉर्मूला. देखो hence proved. Looking like same or not? Both are same or not? Yes or no? That's what my formula. I just proved this. This is proof. Koi doubt? Any doubts? You understand Hindi, right? Aditi, you understand Hindi?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So सभी हैदराबादी को हिंदी समझ में आता है यहाँ, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो सकता है हिंदी समझने में. ऑलराइट, तो यस चलो. तो गाइस लुक एट दिस नाउ. हम लोग अभी सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन. सर we also know that sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan. Look at this, the fourth formula. Let us the fourth formula. You write sin 2 theta is equal, you write show that, so 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square root theta. All right, and fifth formula I know that, show that. I'm asking cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square root theta divided by 1 plus tan square root theta. All right, I have to show this. All right बेटा, all right, चलो हम लोग कैसा प्रूव करेंगे इसको, देखिए ध्यान से सुनना. Everyone should try to listen to me carefully. Right, I should prove, I have to take this LHS part and I have to prove RHS, or else you take RHS part and prove LHS, anything, anyhow, isn't it? If you take LHS you can prove it RHS, if you take RHS you can prove it LHS. So look at, let us take RHS here. So let's take RHS. It would be easy for me to prove it. So 2 tan theta. You understand my handwriting, Aditi ji?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 2 tan. So here 2 tan theta given. So 2 tan theta can I write now? I'm taking RHS mark. 2 tan theta can be written as 2 sin theta by cos theta. All right. Divided by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. All right. So look at this now. So 2 times of sin theta divided by cos theta whole divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta. So either cos square theta will get cancelled. So what I remain with here, 2 times of sin theta, and here 1 time cos theta will be remain here, that will go off here and just jump it to the numerator. You understand? So in denominator sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will become 1. You understand? So 2 sin theta cos theta, what is the formula here? Sin 2 theta. This can be written as sin 2 theta, yes or no? So hence proved now. So 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to this one. Any doubts, beta? Any doubts? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So hence proved. I proved it. Look at this. We proved it. Yes. So hence proved. Are I samajh? Same thing here. हाँ. Here also you take RHS 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Same thing, in place of tan you write sin by cos and just prove it, you will be getting cos 2 theta. All right, prove it. Homework. This is homework. Clear, children? Clear? Any doubts? Are you getting my point? Any doubts? Very simple. Any doubts, children? Any doubts? बताइए, कोई डाउट है भाई? यहाँ पे कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
चलो.
No, sir.
Shall we go for the next?
Yes, sir.
चलिए. तो बेटा हम लोग देखिए दूसरा फॉर्मूला. साइन ये फॉर्मूला होता है बेटा 2 sin a/2 इंटू cos a/2. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला होता है. जो भी मैंने लिख रहा हूँ बॉक्स करके वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई एम जस्ट व्हाट एवर आई एम राइटिंग इन बॉक्स, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Already I just already gave so many problems, so many formulas. So before starting this concept itself I just gave you. Why? Because that is important to that is very important to understand before starting the class. So that is now I'm giving you to understand the proofs. Whatever I'm writing in the box, that is very important. Clear? Please you find these notes when I will be sharing in the Google Classroom. So what is the proof of this? कैसा प्रूव कैसा करेंगे इसको, देखो. हाँ guys, proof is a homework for you. So now look at this. Now let us learn one more thing here. So cos A. What is cos A formula? So cos square a/2 minus sin square a/2. Clear? So can I write now this one as 2 cos square a/2 minus 1 is equal to, this also can be written. There are several formulas for cos A, same as sin 2a and cos 2a. You understand, children? Look at this here. In place of cos 2 I'm writing cos A, then I'll be writing by 2 here. So cos 2a formula, what was my cos 2a formula? Cos square a minus sin square a. Here look at this here, a by 2 I'm writing. In place of a I'm writing a by 2 here. That is the only difference. Isn't it? Getting my point? You understanding? Here cos 2 theta minus 2 cos square theta minus 1, but I'm writing by 2 here. Here 1 minus 2 sin square theta, but here we are writing 2 sin square a by 2. Look at this here. What we wrote here. Look at this. See here. So here theta Here I'm asking only cos theta, then I have to write theta by 2, theta by 2. If I ask only cos theta, here I'm asking cos 2 theta, right? So you must write only cos theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here I'm asking cos A, so you have to write cos. So instead of writing this one, guys, you can write theta also and A also, whatever you feel. So sin theta can be written as sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2. Clear? So cos theta comes as theta by 2, theta by 2, theta by 2, theta by 2. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, children? Any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Very
No,
simple, very
sir.
simple. You just remember all these formulas. Very, 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 very बहुत important है. आ रहा है समझ? चलो इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ऐसा घर बना देंगे. आ रहा है समझ? So चलो अभी देखो हम लोग थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. I'll be giving the questions to you all. You have to just make it out clear. The question is show that cos A plus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. Alright, minus cos A minus sin A whole divided by cos A plus sin A is equal to 2 times of tan 2A. So guys, probably by one more class, within one more class we'll be finishing all these concepts actually. After that, what we'll be doing is we'll be revising all JE, then we'll go for questions. Okay, now I'm just we are having double angles, right? After tomorrow's class probably we'll be studying about triple angles. Clear? Any doubts? Make it fast. Prove this. Try to solve this question. You take LHS first. You take LHS and prove it out. Done? Let me give a hint. Homework. Let me give a hint. First you cross multiply this into this and cross multiply. Take LCM, solve it out. You will get it out. Homework, guys. Take it as a homework. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Next question. Time up. Square root of. Very important question. All right. Actually, guys, if you have any doubts, you can just ask your friends to share the notes. You can ask your friends to what exactly done in the class. If you are not going through the YouTube, if you're not going to the class recording link or class notes, you can ask your friends to share the notes. Actually, they can guide you. Actually, all right, you have their numbers in your group. You can text them. Clear? That this is also homework. Make it fast. You must solve the questions now. So very simple question. You just take it out from here. So cos 8 theta can be written as 2 into 4 theta. So cos 2 theta, 2 cos theta are two types of cos 2 theta. Apply the formula and just prove that as what? 2 cos theta. You have to prove it as prove that. Clear, children? Any doubt? Battery is running. 1 second. Done, time up. Take it as a homework. Chalo. Next question. So guys, tan 22 and f is equal to what? And next, sine 7.5 degrees is equal to what? I mean cos 15 is what? Find it out. All these questions are homework for you. Clear? And guys, you know, before looking at this, how many of you know this? Cos theta and sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Cos theta, sin theta, tan theta. Cos theta will be repeating after every 2 pi period. And what is the periodicity of sin theta? 2 pi. What is the periodicity of cos theta? 2 pi. What is the periodicity of tan theta? Pi. How many of you know this? How many of you know this? Why? Because this. Let me explain you. See here, if I ask you guys, sine 390 is what? If I ask you simply, sine 450 is what? Look at this. Let us have a look at it. I'm just saying that sine value will be repeating. Sine value will be repeating after every 2 pi degrees. Cos value will be repeating after every 2 pi degrees. Tan value will be repeating after every pi degrees. Let us look at this. If I talk about sine 390, 390 मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of 390? Look at this here. Here 0 degrees. Here 90 degrees. Listen to me carefully. Here 180 degrees. Either 270 degrees. Here again 360 degrees. Yes or no? So if I make a full circle, 90, 90, 180, 270, 360. If I make a full circle, I'll be finishing 360 degrees, right? But sir, he is asking us to find 390 degrees. Then how are I supposed to find it out? Look at this, guys. For finding 390, can I write 360 plus 30? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 360 plus 30 degrees. So 360 is what here? 2 pi. 2 pi plus 30 degrees, right? Now, as per that, so sine 360 plus theta, first quadrant sine will be sine only, so sine 30. So answer is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. But look at this here, 1 by 2 also can be written as sine 30. 1 by 2 is what? Sine 30 only, no? Yes or no? So simply I would just skip this 2 pi, sine 360 plus 30, right? So sine 2 pi plus 30 I'm writing. Simply I can write this as 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees. Why? Because it is repeating after every 2 pi degrees. After it is repeating after every 2 pi degrees. So let us skip this. Let us not consider this. Let us not consider this 360. Let us not consider this 390. 390 consider this what now? 390 is going to be considered as 30 degrees. Why? After every 2 pi interval, after every 2 pi degrees, after every 2 pi radians, it will be repeating. All right. So I'm just neglecting that. You understand, children? Are you getting my point? Yes or no? How many of you understood this? I just proved you why we are writing that. Guys, 2 pi plus 30, how much? 360 plus 30, sine 30 only I'm getting. Why? Because function will not change for 180 and 360. So sine becomes sine only. So sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written as sine 30. So sine 30 now, instead of writing this 390, can I write simply as sine 30? Yes or no? Why we are writing sine 30? Why? Because it is repeating after every 2 pi intervals. Look at this. Let me show you how. So sine 390 I'm asking. For 390 can I do like this? First 90 it will finish. After 90, after 90 it goes to 180. 180 to 270, 270 to 360. So 360 it came here. For 390 again it is going here. All right, 360 plus 30. All right, children, it is finishing at 360 here, plus 30 it is adding here. So 390 is stopping here. Yes or no? 390 is stopping here. So 390 means it is of course what? Sine 360 plus 60. So sine 360 plus 30. It is again coming sine 30 only. So now can I say now 390, which means sine 390 also can be written as sin 30 degrees. Both are equal only. Both are equal only. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Now cos 390 also can be written as cos 30. Why? Because after every 2 pi intervals, the value is repeating again. All right. So again the values. Again the values is going to be same here. We are finishing one circle which is making 360 degrees. For writing 390, I'm just again making 30 degrees, which means after value is repeating after every 30, after every 2 pi radians, after every 360 degrees. All right, sin value will be repeating after every 2 pi degrees, cos value will be repeating after every 2 pi radians, and sin also after 2 pi radians. Cos, sin both will be repeating after 2 pi. Clear? Tan alone will be repeating after pi, and cot also pi. Cosecant, cos, everything will be cosecant, secant, and will be also 2 pi only. Clear? Any doubt, children? Any doubt here? Any doubts? Better tell me. Hello? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir.
Very simple. Very simple. Now, guys, look at this here. So now we'll discuss triple angle formula. So what do you understood from this? So sin pi is 2 pi, is cos pi, cos theta is what? Also 2 pi. Tan theta is also 2 pi. What is this pi 2 pi? Periodicity means after every 2 pi values, after every 2 pi radians, the sin and cos will be repeating, which means it will be giving same values. All right, so what is the meaning? What is the difference? I told you here. So sin 360 and sin 30 both are same. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Everyone knows that. Sin 390 also 1 by 2 only, which means after every 360 degrees. Look at this here. Sin 30 was what was sin 30. So sin 390 I am writing here. At sin 30 also it is 1 by 2, and at sin 390 also it is 1 by 2, which means what? See here, if I add 360 to this 30 degrees, I'm getting 390, which means after 360 degrees, the sine function is repeating or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. See here, 30 degrees I had, man. So after, if I add 360 again, which means again the value is same here, which means after 360 degrees, sine is repeating. That is what the basic understanding. Clear? So now, chalo, let us go with the triple angle formula. Triple angle formula. Look at this here. Triple angle formula. Under triple angle formula, first we'll be running sin 3a formula. Arvind, tell me what is sin 3a formula. Already I have given to you this. 3 sin a minus 4 cos cube a. So 4 sin cube a. All right. Next formula. If you want me to prove, guys, you can prove it like this. I'll give a hint. You have to prove it. Homework. Proof is homework. If you want proof 2a plus 1a, you can write out sin a plus b formula. You apply. Just make some changes over there. You get it the answer. Clear? For proof. Proofs no one is going to ask in your exam, but still let us know how we are learning that. Second formula is cos 3a. Cos 3a formula, guys. So 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So how we are going to write this? Cos 2a plus a. So cos a plus b formula apply. For proof, get the answer. Clear? All right, any doubts? Very simple, very simple. Make it fast. Prove it out. So this is the formula here. I'm making a box, very important. What is the time now? Chalo. Any doubts, children? So now I'll give a simple question here. Am I going fast? Already we have discussed everything, guys, so I do not want to waste much time. Any doubts here? Hello, guys, am I recording? Am I recording or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm recording. Chalo, tell me, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलो तो हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे, एक क्वेश्चन, सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, इसके बाद फुल्ली जेई को पीट के मारेंगे, ठीक है? अंडरस्टैंड? सो हाँ, नो जो तीसरा फॉर्मूला और जो तीसरा फॉर्मूला tan 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला होता है 3 tan थीटा माइनस tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. इसका फॉर्मूला, इसका प्रूफ कैसा बनाता है? Let me give a hint, guys. Proofs are not that much going to important and very simple, very simple. You can prove it out. How can you prove it out? देखो tan 3 थीटा को बेटा हमने लिख सकते हैं कि sin 3 थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय cos 3 थीटा. sin 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला पता है मुझे एंड cos 3 थीटा का फॉर्मूला पता है, तो सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, फटाफट फटाफट आपको मिल जाएगा. आ रहा है समझ? sin 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला मतलब ये फॉर्मूला लगाइए, cos 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला ये फॉर्मूला लगाइए, लगा के थोड़ा sin थीटा कॉमन ले लीजिए, उधर cos थीटा कॉमन लीजिए, उसको क्या बोलता है, उसको सॉल्व कीजिए. आ रहा है समझ? वेरी सिंपल. क्लियर? Clear? Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Question. We'll solve one simple question here. Prove that sin theta into sin 60 degrees minus theta into sin 60 degrees plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Make it fast. इसको prove कीजिए जल्दी से जल्दी. Let us see who is going to solve this. So मैंने first let me take LHS. I am taking this LHS. So sin theta into here sin. So shall I write this as a plus b into a minus b? Guys, because how many of you know that? How many of you know this formula? Sin a plus b into sin a minus b gives me sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b. How many of you know this? Guys, how it is looking like sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So can I write this one as sin theta into, in place of this one, can I write simply sin square 60 degrees minus sin square theta. Can I write like that? So sin theta is equal to sin 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. We have square here. So sin square theta as it is. So here 3 by 4 minus sin square theta. All right. So here can I write now 3 sin theta minus guys, because multiply here. What I'm going to get sin theta. So 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 4. Clear? So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by 4. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta can be written as sin 3 theta formula by 4. So this is what? This also can be written as 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. Hence proved. Any doubt? Any doubt? Basic question. Any doubt, children? Any doubt here? Tell me. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Any doubts here? Koi
No,
doubt?
sir.
Same question in terms of cos I'll give you. You have to find it out. Same question in terms of cos. Prove that homework. So please find out all the homework question I'm going to ask in tomorrow's class. Prove this. Prove that first question, tan theta into tan 60 degrees minus theta into tan 60 degrees plus theta is equal to what? Tan 3 theta, sorry, we are asking for prove that. So tan 3 theta, and is asking for cot theta, second one, cot 60 minus theta. Next one is cot 60 plus theta is equal to cot 3 theta. All right. Understand? So this is a basic question. These are the basic question. Next question. Find the value of sine 6 degree tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees. You find out the value of this. So guys, this is what the homework for you all. These are the homework questions. All right, homework. Everyone should report the answers. Clear? So this, I'll be sharing this class notes with everyone, so you can find out from Google Classroom. And Aditi, you are a newcomer, so I'll just post the class notes every day in the Google Classroom. You can find out the notes from there. Clear? Any doubts, ma?
Okay, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then time up. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.